You like to think you're in charge of what you do, but most of the time your brain is quietly following a set of hidden rules, ones you never agreed to. Here are 6 of them. I'm Mr. Sticklab. Today we're looking at the invisible forces that shape almost everything you do, often without you noticing. Once you can see them, you can't unsee them. Rule 1. We copy the crowd. Put one person on a street staring up at nothing and everyone walks past. But add a few more and suddenly everyone stops to look up too. We assume that if everyone is doing it, they must know something we don't. It's called social proof. Rule 2. Losing hurts more than winning feels good. Find $20 on the ground and you're happy, but lose $20 and it stings about twice as much. This is loss aversion, and it quietly steers a huge number of our choices. Rule 3. We obey authority. Put a person in a uniform or a white coat, and people will follow instructions they would normally refuse, simply because that person looks like they're in charge. Rule 4. We rewrite our own beliefs. When what we do clashes with what we believe, it feels uncomfortable. So instead of changing the action, we quietly change the belief to match it and tell ourselves a story where we were right all along. Rule 5. In a crowd, nobody helps. Alone, you would step in instantly. But in a group, everyone assumes someone else will deal with it, so no one does. The more people who are watching, the longer help takes to arrive. It's called the bystander effect. Rule 6. You think everyone is watching you. We're so focused on ourselves that we wildly overestimate how much others notice our slip-ups. In reality, almost nobody is paying as much attention to you as you fear. So your behavior isn't as free as it feels. These 6 rules run quietly in the background all the time. But the good news, just knowing they exist is the first step to stepping around them. That's why we do what we do. I'm Mr. Sticklab. Stay curious and I'll see you in the next one.